how to check time spent on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know how long you have been using Instagram every day? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to check time spent on Instagram. Open Instagram on a device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the How You Use Instagram section, you will see the option for time spent. Tap on it. From here, you can keep track of the time spent on Instagram. At first, you can see the daily average time you are spending on Instagram. Below that, you will see the data for a week, more specifically 7 days including today. To see the amount of time spent on respective days, simply tap and hold on the bar graph shown for the day of your choice. If you find yourself excessively using Instagram, you can even manage your time with the options shown below. You can set a break reminder, activate quiet mode, or even set a daily limit on app usage. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to see time spent on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.